Repairs the outside temperature display function caused by failed ambient temp sensor. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form and function. ACDelco GM original equipment ambient air temperature sensors are used with automatic climate control systems. The sensors provide the HVAC system controller with outside air temperature, allowing the controller to modify the climate control strategy. The sensors may also provide the signal for the outside temperature in the driver information display. This original equipment ambient air temperature sensor is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original components and has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Sensor tells you the outside temperature, exactly as designed. Bought the ACDelco GM original equipment 25,775,833 ambient air temperature sensor. I only use OEM parts for replacement on the vehicles I own. Easy to install, just unclip old one and clip back in the new one. Have used this for several months now and is always accurate. Replacement reason. The old one had been reading poorly for a while now.